a highly effective remedy for blackheads, whiteheads, and large open pores. This remedy consists of 2 steps. First step, steam. For steam, we will need lukewarm water. In a pan, a towel. Dip towel into lukewarm water and gently press your nose and the areas where you have blackheads. Please subscribe to my channel. Due to steam, your pores will open, and it will be easier to remove any blackheads. Second step, black and whiteheads. Removal pack. We will need oatmeal. Grind and make it fine powder. Please press the like button. One tablespoon yogurt. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your family and friends. Mix it well. One tablespoon olive oil. Mix all the ingredients very well. How to use. Wash your face and pat dry and then apply the mask on your face. Massage your face gently with your fingertips for few minutes. Leave it for 20 minutes and wash off with a mild cleanser. You can apply this pack 2 times a week. Regular use of this pack, you will get miraculous results. After a few uses, your black and white heads will disappear permanently, and you will get soft and clear skin. Thanks for watching.